A shape with 6 sides is called.
What?
Peter picked a pick up.
Peter picked a
What?
She says.
Name 2 fairy tales. Still you didn't answer.
You need to watch this tree.
हेलो एवरीवन, आज मेरे साथ है फरीहा और काव्या. हाय फरीहा, हाय काव्या.
Hi, Shreya.
ओके, तो आज मैं इनके साथ एक इंग्लिश क्विज खेलने वाली हूँ जिसमें थोड़े जनरल नॉलेज के भी क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. एंड एज एंड व्हेन दे आंसर, इनको पैसे जीतने का बहुत सारा मौका मिलेगा. तो आई ऑल रेडी फॉर द क्वेश्चंस?
Yes.
ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हाट इज द प्लूरल ऑफ शीप?
Sheep.
Yes, Faria was first. What is the national animal of India?
Tiger.
Name 2 fairy tales.
Cinderella Sleeping Beauty. Again, you're asking the same question.
Hey.
It's not fair. Hey, what?
So what? Still you didn't answer.
You need to watch this tree.
A shape with 6 sides is called?
No.
6.
Hectagon.
Yes. Name 3 birds.
Flamingo, peacock, and hen.
Tell a tongue.
Hen is the
Hen is a
What?
bird.
Oh.
Tell a tongue twister.
Peter picked a pick up. Peter picked a pick up. Wait.
Try, Kavya, try.
Peter Piper picked a pick of pickled pepper.
No, it's
Yes.
wrong.
Yes.
What?
She says.
Peter Piper picked a pick of pickled pepper. I don't
No. I'm the one.
Faria said it. Okay. 3 sports you play with a net in between.
Table tennis, shuttle, and squash.